Hello and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to talk about the GoPro's newest edition, GoPro Hero 9 Black. This small little action camera comes with multiple features like 5K video shooting resolution. There's a front facing LCD camera. There's an option to time wrap and to speed up and go back to real time whenever you want. And it also has an incredible smooth, hyper smooth, a good image stabilizer. Now the function of a GoPro, those of you who are already used to GoPros, is to let you go outdoors and shoot action videos. So if you see the GoPro promotional video, there are people who are surfing on top of waves. There are mountain bikers who are literally cycling on top of peaks, hilltops. There are cameras fitted on top of drones. So it lets you do all those kind of cool stuff. So this camera is not yet launched in India. It is supposed to be launched in India somewhere at the end of October. I have managed to get hold of my product through the help of a benevolent cousin. Now before the camera is launched in India, I wanted to give you a feel of how good the Hyper Smooth actually is. And what good a road to test this than a Bangalore road at the end of the monsoon. So let us go out for a drive. So what we have done is we have put the GoPro on the dashboard using a GoPro accessory. So that kind of holds it against, and that actually should increase the movement because the camera moves just as the vehicle does. So we'll be taking a drive of around 2.5 kilometers, starting with some of the better roads, starting with the bike lane, then we'll be moving into the highway, then again we'll be taking a bike lane which is really nasty, and that kind of gives you a good idea of the image stabilization. So far so good with the vehicle as well as with the GoPro. You can literally feel the vehicle cruising on top of the road, but even if the roads which we see so far are the better roads, we all know that as the vehicle turns and twists and all that, so there are spins and you tend to, in order to get you a sense of how bad the road was, I have also used a DSLR. I have used 3 or 4 footages from a DSLR. It's obviously not the ideal footage that a DSLR can deliver. It's handheld DSLR without any gimbal, and it's even not in proper focus, but it will give you a good idea of how bad the road really was. And the person who was holding the DSLR was actually not a novice, so there was some amount of cushioning which was also happening with the handheld DSLR as compared to the GoPro which was mounted directly on the dashboard. So you can literally see the way that the GoPro really gobbles up the potholes and continues quite smoothly. Again, this is, you can see how bad it is with the DSLR handheld as compared to the GoPro. So we are coming to the end of our trip, and we have kind of made our point and got a good understanding of how good the image stabilization is. So it's time to head back home. Now this is definitely not a sponsored video, but I must tell you I'm super impressed by this camera and the image stabilization. I'm really waiting for the lockdown to end so that I can go out and shoot some cool travel videos. So all the best for your photo and video sessions. If there's anything else you want to understand about GoPro, feel free to leave a comment in the comment box. I'll also add some interesting links about GoPro in the comment box. And definitely feel free to like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for this new channel.